It is natural to feel jealous for everyone, and definitely, no one enjoys this feeling. According to Dr. Lisa Firestone, author of Conquer Your Critical Inner Voice, many of us are often unaware of the basic shame that exists within us because it comes so naturally to think self-critical thoughts about ourselves. Yet, shame from our past can heavily influence the degree to which we feel jealous and insecure in the present. They have defined the jealousy as critical inner voice. People feel jealousy in two ways. One is romantic jealousy, which arises from insecure relationships. The other form is competitive jealousy, which derives from measuring yourself against others. Getting a little bit of jealous time to time is fine, and actually, it helps to our success. However, getting too jealous is not healthy at all and can destroy your personal growth and success. It is our responsibility not to let us control by our jealousy. Here are some tips to defeat our jealousy. Be honest with yourself. When you feel jealous of something or someone, admit it. Otherwise, you're never going to overcome that disturbing feeling, and eventually it can become the worst enemy of your life. Identify your uniqueness and embrace it. We all are unique in some way, and that's the most important thing that makes us worthy from one another. That uniqueness is the most significant characteristic that defines who you are. Don't compare yourself with others. Comparison is a good thing if you know the limit of comparison. If you compare yourself with an Instagram model, you must know those photos are not the reality. When you do more comparison, you will see more missteps in your life or in your relationships which are not that important to your personal growth or to maintain a healthy relationship. Learn from your jealous. This is the most vital step, and this step leads you towards how to act on your jealousy. Let's say you are jealous about the figure of your friend. Instead of hating her body, see the hard work behind her journey and realize that you too can put some effort to make your figure like her. Communicate. If you feel jealous about something or on someone, just have a healthy conversation and clear your emotions. As per the above example, you can ask your friend about her diet plan, exercise routine. In that way, you can release your inner pressure on your jealousy, and moreover, you can take that opportunity to add something valuable to yourself for your growth. As I said earlier, jealousy is a natural emotion that we all have, and the impact of jealousy is based on how you act on it. Consider this feeling of jealousy as an indicator of your insecurities on yourself and your relationships. Spend your time to build up self-confidence and make strong relationships with your loved ones instead of hating others or whining on others' success. Hope you enjoyed the topic, and thank you for joining with me. How you defeat your jealousy.